Have you ever wondered how to become a funded trader? Have you pondered on the steps to take, the knowledge to acquire, and the skills to master? Well, wonder no more. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of funded trading and explore how you too can become part of this exciting venture. First things first, what exactly is a funded trader? In the simplest terms, a funded trader is someone who trades with capital provided by a proprietary trading firm, also known as a prop firm. The funded trader doesn't risk their own money, but instead uses the firm's money to trade, and that's where the funded trader comes into play. The funded trader, or TFT for short, is a unique prop firm that offers an unparalleled opportunity for traders to step into the world of funded trading. TFT provides you with the capital, the tools, and the platform to trade, and in return, you provide your skills, your strategies, and your commitment. Becoming a funded trader with TFT is a process, a journey that comprises several steps. Step 1. Sign up for the funded trader. This is your entry point, your gateway to becoming a funded trader. Registering is easy and straightforward, and it opens up a world of opportunities for you. Step 2. Go through the TFT training. TFT offers comprehensive training for all its traders, ensuring they have the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed. The training covers everything from the basics of trading to advanced strategies and techniques. Step 3. Pass the evaluation. After your training, you'll undergo an evaluation to assess your trading skills and strategies. This is your chance to showcase what you've learned and prove that you're ready to become a funded trader. Step 4. Start trading. Once you pass the evaluation, you become a funded trader. You'll receive a funded account from TFT, and you can start trading immediately. And finally, Step 5. Earn and grow. As a funded trader, you'll earn a percentage of the profits from your trades. The more successful your trades, the more you earn. And as you grow and improve as a trader, TFT will provide you with more capital to trade with. Now you might be wondering, why should you choose the funded trader? What sets it apart from other prop firms? TFT stands out in several ways. It provides extensive training, a fair evaluation process, and a generous profit share. More than that, TFT fosters a supportive and collaborative trading community. By joining TFT, you're not just becoming a funded trader, you're becoming part of a community of traders who share your passion and ambition. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to becoming a funded trader? Don't hesitate. Sign up for the funded trader today, and don't forget to join TFT's social channels. Follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated with the latest news and insights from the world of funded trading. In the world of trading, knowledge is power, and with the funded trader, you're empowered to succeed. So take that first step. Sign up, train, trade, and transform your trading dreams into reality